Hello Internet, I'm Mihai and it is the 7th part of the beginner's Terraform plus AWS tutorial. Today I will use an alternative to input variables and it is locals. So let's go. Close the diagram. In your folder with the Terraform project, create a new folder. It is free-locals. Very good. And now I open VS Code, which is already open. I have the folder locals, and here I will create a new file, providers.tf. That's the file inside the free locals folder. And you know, I'm very lazy, so I'm just going to copy everything from the providers of two input variables, select, paste, and it was pasted. Now I want to make some modifications. The first one is updating the required providers. So I open the browser. I go to documentation. I hope you already have the link from the previous video. And here you see there is another higher version 5.71.0. I click on use provider, copy that thing, paste it here, and that's ready. I also want to update my Terraform so that it uses the latest version. On Linux it is very easy to do. I just have to open my terminal and write here sudo apt update, write the password. So I updated my references and the references to repository. Now I need to write sudo apt install Terraform. It tells me that Terraform will be upgraded right here. It was already upgraded, so if I check Terraform version, it will be 1.9.7. Very good. I just write it in my VS Code 1.9.7. Close the terminal. I also want to remove the access key, the secret key. I will change the region. Today I will work in another region and it will be Stockholm. Okay, you can see it, Stockholm. It is UU North 1. Select, copy it, paste it in the VS Code. And also, if you noticed, I removed the access key and secret key because I will use a better solution than hard coding the credentials inside the Terraform files. Till now it's ready. I open the Git view, check the changes, everything is okay, add the file to the stage, and write the commit message, initiated locals project, new line, locals, commit.